In this video, I'm going to show you how to make checklists in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, let's say that the scenario is we're going to go on a trip or travel and we need to create a checklist to keep track of the things that we need to bring. So as you can see in this list, we have clothes, shoes, hygiene essentials, phone, cards, passport. So to make this list a checklist, we're going to be utilizing checkboxes. So to do that, simply select, highlight, and drag those cells that you would like to add the checkboxes to. After selecting and highlighting, on the menu navigation, simply navigate to the Insert tab, and in here in the options, go to Checkbox. By doing this, you have now successfully added a checkbox to your list, which makes this list a checklist. So when you have successfully brought the item that are on the list, simply check the checkbox. And now you have successfully created a checklist in Google Sheets. And that's about it. That's how to make checklist in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.